We start with a blank slide. First, let's go to View, then Ruler and Guides. Insert our ruler and guides. Now let's go to Insert and Shapes, and let's select the circle icon or the oval icon, and I'm going to insert a blue oval. Now let's go to Home, Arrange, and Selection Pane. And right now our blue oval is named Oval 2, but we're just going to change the name to Blue Oval in the Selection Pane. So now for our animation, we're going to have our blue oval, which is our object, fly in from the left, pulse one time, then move to the right with one arc, and then move to the bottom right with another arc, and then exit. Alright, let's go to Animations, and just a quick refresher for our Animations pane. First we have Preview, then we have our Entrance Effects, which shows how our objects enter the slide. Our Emphasis Effects, which shows what happens to our objects when they're on the slide. Our Exit Effects, which shows how our objects exit the slide. Our Path Animation, which shows how our objects move around the slide. And our Animation pane button, which gives us command and control of our animations when they're on the slide. And I just activated the Animations pane, which is right here. So now we're going to have for our first effect, we're going to have our blue oval fly in from the left. Before we conduct any animations effect, our object needs to be highlighted in our animations box. Right now, for example, right now it's not. Right now it is. So our blue oval is highlighted in our animations box. So now we go to fly in, which is an entrance effect. And our blue oval flew in from the bottom, but we want our blue oval to fly in from the left. So in order to adjust this, we go to our Animations pane, and we have our different options, effect options, timing triggers, text animations, but right now we just want to focus on the effects options. And the property right now is from the bottom, but we want our object to fly in from the left. So we just change it from the bottom to from left. And now let's click on, there's two ways to do this. We click on Preview, and it shows a preview of the animation. We can also, in our Animations pane, click on Play From, and it does the same thing. Okay, great. So we have our blue oval flying in from the left. Now we want to pulse one time. So once again, we highlight our object, the blue oval. Now we go to our Emphasis Effects, and just click on Pulse. You get a preview of the animation, and that's it. So once again, if we click Preview, it shows our blue oval coming in from the left and pulsing once. We can also do it in the Animations pane. Okay, so now we want our blue oval to move from this current location to the right by using an arc. And there's basically two ways to do this. The first way, so I'll demonstrate, is with our blue oval highlighted in our animations box. You click Path Animation, you click Arc, And here in this animations box, we have our arc, and in our animations pane. So what we want to do is, the first method is just do a simple drag and drop. So we drag our animations box to wherever location we want it, which is right here. And we can adjust with this animations box, the arc however you want it. Let's click preview. And there we go. So the first method is just to drag and adjust with the animations box, and the second method is to adjust with the effect options and edit points. Okay, which is what I'll demonstrate right now. Let's click on our oval again. With it highlighted in the animations box, let's click on Path Animation. Let's click on Arc. And now we have our new arc, number 4, right here. So now we're just going to do a drag and drop to a general location. And instead of adjusting this animation box by just dragging it, manipulating the animations box, we're going to click on Effect Options and Edit Points. So all our adjustments are going to be done by editing these points. So moving to as so. And we can use these little arms to adjust the trajectory of the arc however you want to. Great. Let's hit preview again. Alright, so once again, so far we have our oval coming in from the left, pulsing one time, and one arc moving to the right corner, and the next arc takes it to the bottom right. And now for our last effect, we use an exit effect with which is blinds. So once again, with our oval highlighted, we just click on blinds. It's an exit effect. You get a preview, and the effect shows the exit effect wherever the object is. But when you click preview, it shows the effect where it's supposed to end up in the animation. So let me click preview one more time. And that's it. If you found this information to be useful or informative, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you.